I, Joaquim Antonio Maria Lopes da Fonseca, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. So help me God. I, Joaquim Antonio Maria Lopes da Fonseca, having been appointed on the 29th day of January 2026 to be the chairman and the commissioner to inquire into matters specified in the Fiji Truth and Reconciliation Commission Act, do swear that I will faithfully, fully, impartially, and to the best of my ability discharge the trust and perform the duties devolving upon me by virtue of the Fiji Truth and Reconciliation Commission Act 2024. So help me God.